So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create client script on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, and just after that select profile icon. Now select access Zoho CRM. After coming on the home page, select this settings icon. Now go with this option right here called client script. Now just select this button right here called create new script. Now give a name to your script, write a description about your script. Now select module and now select page from this list right here. We'll go with this create page and now again select your modules from this list right here. Now you have to choose layout and enter your type if you want a page event type or field event type. So we'll go with field event. Now enter field from this list right here. Now you have to enter event, which is on change, and after putting all of these details right here, now just select this next button. Now after coming on this page guys, select this cross button. So guys, after done writing your client script right here, you just need to select this button right here called save, and after that you guys now have successfully created your client script on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how guys you can able to create your client script on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.